In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Big Cartel in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an artist or a small business owner, managing your online store orders is crucial, and knowing how to cancel an order efficiently can save both you and your customers a lot of hassle. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can handle this task with ease. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Big Cartel's website. It's the go-to platform for artists and small businesses looking to sell their products online. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a login option in the top right corner. Click on that. Now it's time to enter your credentials. You'll need to type in your shop URL and your password. It's always a good idea to have these details handy to make the login process smoother. After you've entered your information, go ahead and click on the login button to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Big Cartel dashboard. From here, you'll have access to all the tools and features to manage your store effectively. Look for an option to preview your shop. Clicking on this will give you a view of how your store appears to customers, a crucial step in ensuring your store is presenting itself correctly to the outside world. Next, take a look around this customer view of your store. This perspective can help you see what your customers are experiencing when they visit your online shop. To move forward with cancelling an order, you'll want to focus on finding the cart section. Click on cart to see the products that have been added. Once you've accessed the cart, you'll be able to see the products that a customer has chosen to purchase. This is where you'll manage any changes you need to make to specific orders. To proceed with cancelling the order, you'll want to find the item in question within the cart. Finally, the moment has come to cancel the order. Within the cart, you'll see an option to remove next to the product you want to cancel. Clicking on this option will remove the item from the cart, effectively cancelling the order from the customer's perspective. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully cancelled an order on Big Cartel. Make sure to communicate with your customer if necessary to keep them informed and maintain good customer service. Remember, mastering these small tasks helps keep your online store running smoothly and your customers happy.